Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update on this beautiful summer day. Gorgeous air out there today. Hope you're able to enjoy it. Summer is drawing to a close, and traditionally this time of year we have a lot of talk about schools. And this year, as you know, is very unique because of what's going on in the world. So get back to that in a minute. But as far as the numbers today, I've had a pretty good week. We went from 0 to 1 case. Today we have 5 new cases, which is still very manageable in a city of 100,000. So our 2-week daily new case average is 3.1. 1-week daily case average is 2.5. Active cases right now are 15. So we're in the green meaning under 4 cases per 100,000 in the population. So it's a good number to be at. Would love to be in the white, but green certainly better than yellow and red. And you can see on this map, the North Shore has had some real struggles dealing with their numbers up there. So as far as the school goes, we're meeting tonight actually. As you maybe are viewing this, we'll be meeting on Zoom on the school committee meeting tonight. We'll be talking about a number of policy issues. I've heard from a lot of you, a lot of folks out there with different opinions on how we should reopen. We did a vote a couple of weeks ago as a school committee because we needed to get a plan in and approved by the State Department of Education. And at that time we voted pre-K through 3rd grade hybrid, and then special needs come in person. Everybody else would start remote. But we've said from day one, and remember this, I'm the mayor and chair of the school committee, but I'm one of 7 votes on the school committee. We make these votes. We get recommendations from the superintendent and his team, and from that we look at the plans and then make a vote. As I've said from day one, as others have, this is a moving target. There's a lot of moving parts. This is going to continue to change and evolve. But we're going in the right direction with the numbers. So it's my hope we get the kids in much sooner than later across the board. Having said that, the state also has guidelines, and we got to follow those guidelines. For example, if we just wanted everyone to go back to school tomorrow, we could not meet those guidelines in a lot of our buildings for social distancing. It's impossible with the amount of kids in some of these buildings. So we're balancing the state guidelines. Obviously, the health and safety of our kids, teachers, and staff is first and foremost. I understand the disruption people have that have to work and have to be concerned about how they're going to deal with the kids being home and learning remotely. It's a complicated issue, it's a complicated time, and we're doing the very best we can going forward. I do think if the numbers continue to go in the direction they're going, we're going to be able to get the kids back in much sooner than later. And I don't want to give a date, a time, because I'm one of 7 to make that vote, and I certainly don't want to put a date out there that we cannot meet because of the changing information that happens just about every day. We're in constant consult with our Health Commissioner Ruth Jones, her team, outside experts, and we are prepared in many, many ways. We get the PPE for every kid, we get sanitizers, the buildings have been cleaned, will continue to be cleaned. Our HVAC experts, our team is on that, making sure all the exhaust systems are working well in all the buildings. So all the precautions are being put into place as we bring the kids back slowly, but bring them back starting on September 16th. So stay tuned on that. I know that some people may disagree with the school committee's opinion on that. There's no right or wrong here. And when we do open up fully, parents will still have the right to keep the kids home and let them learn remotely. We'll be providing that remote learning right along. So stay tuned on that stuff. We ask you patience. There's no right or wrong here. There's no easy solution. We're doing the best we can for the safety of your kids. So until next time, stay well and God bless.